Hello folks, I'm just here looking at the hill. You're not going to see the hill, but trust me, there's a hill behind. I'm looking at the hill. We're here in Tavern. Say hi to the folks.
Hi guys.
Guys, this is Daniel. And Daniel is about to try to win a free shipping coupon, right? You're not sure you're going, don't you?
You're sure?
Daniel, get up boss man, we're doing it live. It's not joking. It's not, this is not stage, this is live.
Okay.
Yes, mommy. Alright, so Daniel is here trying to win a free shipping coupon, guys. I don't know if she can do it. Daniel, tell me something. You like the company?
Of course, my favorite company.
With that time we deliver to you.
Yeah.
About time you win a free coupon, don't you?
Yeah, indeed.
Alright guys, so we're gonna make sure that you win the coupon, alright? Daniel, I'm gonna ask you a question. If you get the question right, you get to go into these envelopes to select one of them. One of them have been a prize, one don't have been a prize. And everybody has a coming will be there today. Show the general. Alright. Everybody now will be there today. Alright, so Daniel, here's the first question I'm going to ask you, right? What is the cost to be a platinum member and how much do you pay per year?
Nothing, free for life.
You said it's what?
Nothing, free for life.
It's free to be a platinum member, free? No sir. And you get 4 free shipping coupons per year to be a platinum member.
Yes.
To ship any item under £5 for
Yes.
free.
Yes.
Man. I can't believe this.
You right?
Yes guys, she's right. She got it right. Alright, so now I want you to choose from. I don't want the sunshine on it because you might see what I go on the night. So I hold it down low, guys. Choose one of these envelopes to see if you can win for yourself the free coupon. Which one you choose? Guys, you choose this one. Let me just go straight into it and tell her say it look like it blank. It look like it blank, guys. Me want her food in the summer. You want me to come up with it or you want me to choose another one?
Come put it up.
You don't want one here?
Anyone?
You want me to come put one here? Guys, read it for our people.
Congratulations. Yes guys, I got a free shipping coupon.
Guys, you see it right there, so and you see the neck in it, right?
Period.
She wants for herself a free shipping coupon, guys. What are you waiting for? You need to click a link somewhere about here. There's a link. Click it. Tell them for me.
You need to go over to Island Shipper and get your packages delivered to your doorstep.
You hear it, guys? You
ASAP.
need to click ASAP. Click the link ASAP. Join us today and win for yourself a free shipping coupon. You can tell them bye-bye.
Bye guys.
Bye. What you doing? Bye-bye.